Today we're showing you a 2019 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Has a John Deere 520M front loader that goes with the tractor. Unit has just under 900 hours on it. Has a global style hookup for your bucket connection. Has 100 horsepower. Has quite a bit of John Deere factory warranty remaining. Very clean unit. Tires are good. Has the foldable ROPS with the canopy top. Rear work light. Has the dual stackable valves back here. 540N, 540E PTO. Telescopic links with the stabilizer bars. Nice upgrade over the chains. Try to get the sun out of your eyes there so we can see the tractor a little better. As you can see, the tractor looks nearly new. Deluxe suspension seat here for the operator that does swivel left and right. Tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand power reverser here allows you to change direction without clutching. 12-speed transmission. All your hydraulic and PTO controls over there to the right. It's a very sharp unit. We do offer financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.